Hello dear children, I am Rajat and today we are going to discuss about your previous topics. Let's do the revision of that topics, that is number system. I hope during your classes you have learned it better, but today again we will do some questions based on number system and we will do some practice so it will be more clearful how to perform number system, how to work on number system, and what is the use of number system in computer, and how the different types of number system converted from one to another, like binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal. So let's do the revision of that topics and we will get the solution. I am sharing a worksheet. You have to do that worksheet and give your responses in response group. So let's start with number system. Number system is basically categorized into four different parts: decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. In decimal, counting as a fingers base 10, binary base 0 and 1, octal base 8 and hexadecimal base 16. So the conversion of number system is categorized into different parts. Let's discuss about this part only. So all are not in your course. Binary to decimal, between decimal and hexadecimal, between hexadecimal and binary, decimal and octal, octal and hexadecimal, binary and octal. But in your course only there is a binary decimal and decimal to binary. So in this way we can explain the different base of number system, that is defined as: in the number system, decimal used in computer, no. Binary number system used in computer. Octal number system is not used in computer, that involves digits 0 to 7. Hexadecimal involve digits 0 to 9, A to F. So in this way the common number system that we have introduced, and we will define as the conversion of binary to decimal with the help of different rules. A very simple conversion is there as we have already done. So let's discuss about this conversion. The rule for this conversion is multiply each bit by 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, where n is the weight of the bit. The weight is the position of the bit starting from 0 on the right, and then we will get the result. So I am explaining about the example. You can look this example and it will be easy for you. There is an example where we are converting the binary number into decimal, multiplying from right side the bit in the form of 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, and where it is represented as bit 0, that will be output 0. Then add all the digits and you will get the result. So this number system is important. Next one is a decimal to binary number system. In decimal to binary number system, there is an example like number is 95. You have to divide the number by 2. If remainder is coming 1, you have to write down remainder. And in this way, bottom to top, you have to mention all the numbers. So you will get the result. That is converted number system, decimal into binary number system. So we will discuss about binary addition also. Addition rules are there. If you follow the rules like 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, and carry 1, that carry, if 1 plus 1 equals to 1 1, that is 1 carry. Same as binary subtraction rule: 0 subtract 0, 1 subtract 0 1, 1 subtract 1 0, and 0 subtract 1, that is 1 borrow you can take, like you are doing in the math. So let's discuss with worksheet.